Today's video, we're talking about the top reasons why your home is still sitting on the market. So first we need to differentiate what the difference is between a property that is on the market and in the market. Property is in the market. It means it's getting showings and it's getting offers. And why is that? Twofold. First, price. Second, condition. The price needs to be competitive to the other properties in the neighborhood, and the condition needs to be an attractive condition, meaning renovated, turnkey, staged. If your home is on the market, but it's not getting any showings and it's not getting any offers, then really it's out of the market. And that's because it's either overpriced and it's above market value, or the condition is such that it either needs staging or it needs renovations. There's something going on with the condition, or it could be a combination of both. Either way, it's out of the market. And then there is that middle ground of properties that are being shown for weeks or maybe even months on end, and they're not getting any offers. And for all intents and purposes, what they're actually doing is they're helping sell the properties that are quote unquote in the market. And the reason for that is because buyers who are swiping, online are looking at either properties that are completely out of the market because they're thinking, oh my God, this is crazy overpriced. I'm not even gonna look at this. Or this one seems okay, let me go take a look. And then when they go take a look, either they find that it's too high of a price or it doesn't look as good as the other properties that are in the market. So they're thinking, I think I'm gonna buy that one. So that isn't a good place to be. And at that point in time, you really should have a discussion with your realtor and find out what it is. What can you either fix in the home or adjust the price accordingly to your neighborhood and to the other comparables so that you can go in the market and sell. In a seller's market, the opposite is true. What we see in a seller's market is an influx of buyers coming in and competing with each other to try to get, the few and far between listings that are on the market. And we saw this in 2021 and again in 2007, years ago. And what happens then is that pricing is not as important, and neither is condition, because these buyers are competing against each other, and we're seeing multiple offers coming in. Homes are selling above asking, and they're selling within record time. And so being in the market then essentially becomes, a larger circle, if you will. When there's an influx of properties and other conditions such as higher interest rates, then we are creating an environment where it's a buyer's market. And in a buyer's market, the buyers have the upper hand. So there's a lot of properties that are competing, and therefore the circle of properties that are actually in the market and selling becomes smaller because they need to compete. So they're competing with each other to keep the price competitive and to have the condition be very attractive to the buyers, because the buyers have a plethora of choices. So marketing is always an important key element when it comes to selling your home. Whether you're in a seller's market or a buyer's market, it's always going to be a key element. But it's especially important when it's a buyer's market. When we list our homes, we spend thousands of dollars on marketing the home so that it gets in front of the right buyer's eyes. And we do digital advertising, email marketing, targeted marketing, photography, videography, and of course we do traditional marketing as well, because you're going to want to have your brochures and your flyers and your print ads. So make sure if your home is listed with your realtor, you have a good, strong marketing plan to get your home in front of the right buyer's eyes. However, if your home is still lingering on the market, then at that point, the chances are it's a question of finding the right price, and maybe it's the condition of your home as well. But most likely it has to do with price.